So far, we have only a couple of vaccines approved here in Canada. So let's just talk about Canada, which are the mRNA, the Moderna vaccine, and the BioNTech vaccine, Pfizer vaccine. And of course, as the experts would explain it better than me, it's a protein. And the conditions for it to be haram is that one of the ingredients, is haram. First and foremost, we look at safety. So the vaccines, for instance, the BioNTech, what I'm reading here in front of me, the BIMA, which is the British Islamic Medical Association, they have actually released a statement about the BioNTech Pfizer vaccine. According to the ingredients that they have shared with the Islamic scholars, it looks like fine. There is nothing wrong with it. To make something halal or haram, first and foremost, it has to be safe. There is no harm. Whether, harm, we mean by a harm that is tolerated, so long as it doesn't put our life in danger, it's fine. You get a poke here, feel pain, that's not considered harm. We talk about long-term and short-term effects. So if there is no harm, and doctors can confirm that, experts, ingredients of the medicine, we have the list here. I can read it for you, but it's a long list. There's nothing wrong with it. There is also a need for the medicine, and the need is clear today. We have a pandemic, and even if you are not sick or immune, you are actually a danger to others. Therefore, vaccination should be taken, because we're living in, we have a social responsibility, and we have, of course, moral duty to keep ourselves safe and those around us, because we are humans and we interact. And of course, the fourth point would be to consult a trustworthy doctor. And of course, this issue that fuqaha or scholars emphasize trustworthy, the ethics of medicine are controlled. Doctors cannot just advise and advise. There is a heavy price to pay. It's a career here. So they have this responsibility to advise. And we say always seek advice from a doctor. And of course, the general rule to make something halal or haram, in Canada, we're very lucky that I don't think vaccine is going to cost us money, whereas all over the world, you have to pay for the test, you have to pay for vaccine. It has to be earned in a legitimate way. So there is no contact of animal origin, i.e., for instance, gelatin, and no products are derived from fetal cell lines. And of course, so there is no concern so far with the mRNA. There are other vaccines coming up. We always have to update ourselves, but so far so good based on what we have here in Canada.